Hello, Thomas team. I wanted to show you that I reversed how that last note works now. So if you go to your contacts, actually, I'm going to pull up my sample contact here. And actually, Tony and I experimented with this yesterday, and it looks like it's working properly. But if you go here, see how I have this last note here, and then it says date of last note, which was yesterday. And then if you go here in the actions, you can see that there were a couple last notes updated as of yesterday. So if I go in here and I say, spoke with Kristen, she is getting us for a doc. You don't need to do anything with this last note date. It'll automatically update for you. So when you hit save, you'll see that the last note date just updated to today. Also, this last note now also is in the description. You can see that it's logged here. So instead of logging the call and then it going into last note, now you just have to update the last note and it will log the call for you. So it just goes the other way around. And then Tony and I are working on this right now, where every time the last note is updated, it's also it also tallies in the call attempts. So like here, it was 1. So when I updated the last note, it went to 2. And then if I update it again, just do ... it'll go up to 3. So now you can see the call attempts is 3. Now, this is for anybody moving forward, because they have to have a 0 in call attempts in order for this to work. So if it's blank, then what you need to do is just estimate how many calls you've made. Say it's 2, say it's 3, put that number in there, and then moving forward, it will tally. But the way that the formula works is that it can't be blank to tally, because technically it doesn't have something to tally. It's saying there's no value there. So anybody that's already in your system is not going to have a 0, but it's not going to have a number in there. But anybody moving forward that's created will. So like I said, anybody moving forward that you create, you don't have to worry about. But if you have an old lead in here, or you have a lead from like last week, and you want it to tally the call attempts as you put the last notes in, then just make sure that you're putting the number in there, whether it's like 1 attempt, 2 attempt, 3 attempts. Then from there, moving forward, every time you put the last note in there, it will automatically tally in that call attempt. So let me know if you have any questions on this, but hopefully this was helpful. Bye.